Well, hello there, TriStar fans. I have this CXL with this turbo brush that just recently won my brush roll RPM competition. Almost, but not quite, at 8,000 RPM. This thing is a real screamer. And the bristles are about medium length and they're super soft. So I just wonder, how are they going to do on a dry pass test? Are they going to end up picking up a high amount of, like, say, stray carpet? Or is that softness going to come into play and it's going to hardly pick up anything? So as in my previous tests, I have run this machine, we'll call it CFM hot rodded. That is the cleaning power selector over there set all the way to the left on shag for maximum airflow. And then, even though I have a HEPA premotor filter, I'm taking that out, not using that. We're just simply going to use just the HEPA bag. So that bag, because it's so thin and so light, is a real pain to try to get a good stable result. So I've got a couple of doodads there that I'll need to fiddle with to attempt to get a decent reading. So let's see how well this works out. Well, just to show you the bristles, really soft and about medium length. And I think this brush roll in here is fairly old, but I don't know its age. So now the question is, how can I get this bag to be flat and stable so I can measure the before and after and be super accurate about it? Ready? So when I put this on here, kind of leans a little bit, and I need to have it as stable as possible. I've measured this multiple times. So what I will do is measure it with this in here to kind of spread out the bottom of the bag. So I want to make sure we start out at 0. And I'm going to do this. I'm going to put this in here. We're going to measure the whole thing together. And that should give me a good stable result, because the problem is this wobbles back and forth and it affects the reading. So we will start out at 57 and 76 100ths grams. All right, let's get to the test. Well, that works much better. I've tried this several times and this seems to be pretty stable. All right, we started out at 57.76, and I don't think we need a calculator for this, because I'm seeing 57.77, 78, 77. It's not very much. Let me just move this around just a little bit. See if I get any real differences here. So it doesn't really look like the brush roll is that harsh. It just doesn't. So, I mean, that's good news. That's definitely good news. Yeah, there's just hardly any appreciable harshness at all with this. So really something. So 57.77. So it's just not harsh. So that's wonderful. So 50, let's see here, 7.76. And, we have the lowest score we can have other than, like, say, 0, and that would be 0.01. So essentially, this brush roll is not a carpet shredder at all. Not at all. So let me show you again what the bristles look like. So if we take a peek here, now maybe if you got a newer version of this brush roll, maybe they would be much stiffer. But these are about medium length, and they are very soft. Really, really soft. But they spin super, super fast. So you know what this means. The type of cleaning you're going to get with this particular power nozzle, you're going to get whatever dirt you get out of the carpet, and it's going to leave as much carpet as possible in the carpet. It's not going to do high carpet damage. That's really, really something. That's super, super gentle pickup. So really impressed with this old style brush roll, with this, well, old style machine, I guess. So really fantastic and highly recommended for many different types of carpet, especially carpet that you might consider to be delicate. Really fantastic. So 2 giant thumbs up for the harshness test. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.